my god. Just wondering who and what creature live in this deep hole, a very deep hole. So we are in the middle in the forest, and Sadi is right there. I cannot bring her here because I'm sure she will go inside, or should try to go deep inside there. That's a nice home for them. And I think there's another one here. Yeah. There's another. It's really good deep digging here. Really digging. Oh, there we go. But yeah, nice one. And there's a lot more. That another one. Maybe a fox, a rabbit, and there's another one there. This normally Sadi and I's favorite place to chill during summer, and there she is. And normally we sit down here or we played here, but right now the wild animals or the wild living is making family. So I'm not allowed to bring her here with me, or if then she needs to stay there, which is demanding, calling me right now. And Mama's enjoying. What you want to come here? No, you stay there, you stay. Okay, wait, Mama's done soon. Okay, you stay there, don't be jealous. Just showing our friends how nice is this place, even though it's not really green yet, since spring is still sleeping, but I guess it's coming soon. It's in the middle of April and still a little bit cold and almost every day raining. It's beautiful here. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, we're going soon. We're going. All right, Hall. Oh, let me show you guys the baby mammoth tree. There's a mammoth tree and it says it's still a baby. It's 100 years old tree. This is the red one here. That's still the baby mammoth tree. And then there's two giant mammoth tree over this one here and the other side, which is 500 years. I'll show you next time. For now, bye all. And we're going or continue running now, since my demanding boss is calling me that we have to continue running and reminding me that I have to go work. Yeah, we go run. Okay, wait. See, I tied her hair. And this is my belt, waist belt, and it's actually really good because I can always tie her in the bin on the trees if I'm gonna make some video or have to do a little bit something for video taking. Okay, let's go. You ready? Let's go. Okay, say bye. Say I love you to your friends. See ya all. I'm gonna run 7 kilometers only today. And next month will be really concentrate training. I have a half marathon to run, but this month I'm kind of like slacking, only short run. The longest run we made is 10K. Next month is long run. Okay, bye. See you next time.